Welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna take a look on a Flutter widget of the week, which is divider today. So this is all about a widget. I just put it in between a row and a column. So this is it. So it is not 200. If I can reduce it to 20, then let me just reload. You see, this is it. So what the divider just does, basically it just try to give a little space between two widgets. That is all it does. And there are so many widgets that you can use in the absence of a divider, which is sidebox. So let us find out more property that we can use on that divider. You press Command B for mark. You see we have here height. I've used height. We have here thickness. I've used thickness and color and so forth. So sorry guys. So that is it. If I come here, if I just type, you see, if I type color, you see I have here color, but I don't want color. Let me just put here color. Let me just put color dot. Let me just put this one, and if I run it, you see that is a divider. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video, and if you are not subscribed or you are new here, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Until then, see you guys.